Hello, 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 everybody. Thank you, everybody who's tuning in. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Thumbs up. Had a nice weekend. Safe, healthy weekend. Right? I want to welcome everybody back, and I hope everybody's ready to get started. All right, so first, I want to take a quick opportunity to remind everyone these are just fun educational activities. Everyone should participate carefully, safely, at your own risk. Okay, please make sure that I'm not able to see you, so you're taking care of your space and how you're feeling, your body, what's going on around you. Okay, so please make sure that you are careful, consult with your doctor, primary care physician, healthcare provider before starting if you need to. All right, and otherwise, these are activities meant for parents and children to work on together so that parents can help implement these strategies and work with your kiddos, work with your students, trying to learn different skills and get our bodies moving. All right, so that being said, let's get started for today. All right, so what materials do we need for today? For today, we need our notebook, or if you're just using paper and pencil, that's okay. Right, so we need our notebook, and we also need 2 cups. I'm using plastic cups just so that they can be safe. Okay, 1 cup is filled with water, 1 cup is empty. Okay, 2 plastic cups. I'll leave my cups up here. Right, and we have our notebook, and we have our pencil. And parents, remember, highlighter for you if you need highlighter to help our kiddos with some tracing. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is talk about what letter is our letter of the day. So last week we did our letters A, B, C, D. So what letter comes after D? We have A, B, C, D. Today's letter is our letter E. Okay, so first we're gonna draw a big E in the air. We're gonna take our pointing finger, point all the way up, okay? All the way up, and we're making a big E in the air. So we go straight line down, then we go back to the top, and we go 1 line, to the middle, 2 lines, to the bottom, line 3. What about our other hand? Point all the way up, and we make a big line down, then back to the top, 1, into the middle, 2, and to the bottom, 3. That's our letter E. Okay, next, we're gonna take our notebook. Let's open our notebook. So remember, use those fingers. And parents, remember, I'm writing down the exercises and you can do the same. This way you can keep track of all the different movements, breathing, and exercises that we do. So we'll use our fingers, turn those pages. Turn those pages, A, B, C, D. And we come to our next blank page. Okay, so what did we say today's letter was? Today's letter was our letter E. Okay, so here's my paper. Okay, so we need our pencil. So parents, if you're helping, you can use the highlighter. Remember, opening and closing this highlighter is a great activity. Okay, otherwise, if we can make it on our own, we're using our pencil, and we're making today's letter our letter E. So we're going to start at the top. We're making a big line down. Remember, we can use our highlighter too for our students, for our kiddos. It's a little bit easier to hold since it's thicker. It's a little easier to use the highlighter. Okay, from the top, we make our first big line. In the middle, our second line. And at the bottom, line number 3. We see 1, 2, 3. Okay, for our letter E. Okay, parents, if parents made it with our highlighter, then now our students, we're using our pencil. Okay, so we're gonna try to hold it with our fingers, not with our fist, not with our hand, but right in our fingers. See if we can start right at the top, and we go down straight line. And then starting at the top, we have 1, 2, 3. That's our letter E. Okay, what about with our finger? With our pointing finger, can we trace our letter E? Start at the top, go down, back to the top, 1, 2, 3. That's our letter E. Okay, what about our other hand pointing finger? Start at the top, trace all the way down, back to the top. 1, 2, 3. That's our letter E. Okay, so far we've talked about A, B, C, D, and today our letter E. Good job. Okay, we can put this notebook down for now. Okay, what exercises are we going to do today? We're going to have to think what animals start with the letter E. So, who can think? What animal starts with the letter E? What do you think? What animal starts with the letter E? So, elephant is an animal that starts with a letter E. What kind of sound does an elephant make? An elephant says, right? I want to hear everyone at home make a loud sound like an elephant. That's our elephant's trunk making that sound. Okay? I don't know if that's the best elephant sound, but that's how my elephant sounds like. Okay? That's what our elephant sounds like. Okay? So how does an elephant walk? What can we do to practice our elephant walks? So our elephant is big. Our elephant walks like this, right? So big stomps. So I want to see everyone stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Let's count. Can we do 10 stomps like an elephant? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good job. If this is too loud, see if you can find 2 pillows. Those 2 pillows that we used before. See if everyone can find 2 pillows. So go, go, go. Let's see if we can find 2 pillows. Once we have those 2 pillows, can we hold those 2 pillows, both of them together? Okay, squeeze those pillows, squeeze, big squeeze. Okay, use your hands. Can you squeeze your pillows with your hands? How do your pillows feel? Do they feel soft, fluffy, fuzzy, hard? How do your pillows feel? Squeeze those pillows, big squeeze. All right, so what we can do is we can put our pillows down next to each other. So now we can try stomping like an elephant onto our pillows. So let's do 10 stomps onto our pillows. So we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, an elephant sometimes can jump with both feet also, like this. Okay, can we do 10 times jumping with both feet hard like an elephant? So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, remember if it's too loud, we can jump on our pillows. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, good job. That's our elephant stomps. So we can stomp like an elephant. We can also make an elephant obstacle course. So we can move our pillows. We can practice stomping around our pillows. So we stomp, stomp, stomp around our pillows. Go around 1, go in between. Can you stomp around your pillows? Stomp, stomp, just like the letter 8. Sorry, the number 8 also starts with the letter E. Okay? If that's easy, we can try stomping, jumping with 2 feet. Jump like an elephant around your pillows with 2 feet. This is our elephant obstacle course. We learned about our ant obstacle course. This is our elephant obstacle course. Ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, good job, good job. Okay, we can put our pillows away. So remember, we can do it on the floor. We can use our pillows. That's our elephant obstacle course. Elephant stomps, elephant obstacle course. Okay, next, what's another animal or word that starts with the letter E? Think of, is there something you can think of? Okay, so another one that I can think of is eel. Okay, eel is a nice way to do a fun eel dance. So eels, they swim like this, right? So when we do our eel dance, we just shake our bodies. This is our eel dance. You can bring your arms up. See if you can move your hips side to side and dance like an eel. This is our eel dance. Can everyone dance like an eel? Eel dance, eel dance. You can turn, eel dance. Whoop, turn back, eel dance, eel dance. You can put your arms down, eel dance. You can clap, eel dance. Okay, see if you can get a nice good movement and shaking of your body with our eel dance. Okay, eel dance is a nice fun one to do. Eel dance, eel dance. You can stand, oops, in one place, eel dance. Okay, good job. Nice way to get our bodies moving. Have some fun. Dancing is fun. Fun way to get our bodies moving. Okay, so for our letter E, which animals started with the letter E? We said elephant starts with the letter E. We did our elephant stomps and our 2-foot elephant stomps. We did our eel dance, move our body a little, stretch our body. Okay, those are our animals that start with the letter E. Next, another word that starts with the letter E is empty. Now we need our 2 cups. Which cup is empty? We have 2 cups. So what we can do is practice making each cup empty. So this is a good activity where we can hold 1 cup or both cups. Okay, so parents might need to help out with this. First, we'll start just holding 1 cup. So see if we can hold just 1 cup. Parents, maybe help. Little hand over hand could be good. Okay, and see if we can practice. I need to be careful also. See if we can practice just pouring that water in. Nice and slow, all the way to the top. Now which cup is empty? Okay, just a nice coordination and control activity. Okay, let's try the other way. So again, hold that cup with both hands and see if you can pour the water in. Okay, now which cup is empty? Okay, if this is easy, you can also try 1 hand on each cup and practice pouring the water in to see which cup is empty. And if that's easy, you can even see if you can make it just a little bit empty. So this would be halfway empty or halfway full, right? You can practice doing a little bit at a time. So just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, or with both hands, right? Good way to practice control. Just a little bit and stop. Just a little bit and stop. Okay, remember, parents help as needed. Just a good way to practice control, coordination. Okay, you can add food coloring. You can put different things in the water to watch them go from one to the other, like sparkles, right? Things that float. Okay, and then we can see which cup is empty. All right, beautiful. All right, so let's review. So which letter of the alphabet did we talk about today? Today, we talked about our letter E. Remember, we used our finger to trace our letter E. We also used our hand our arm to draw our letter E. Okay, we did it with both hands. And with both arms. Okay, then we practiced drawing our letter E on our paper. And we talked about which animals start with the letter E. And what did we say? What was the first animal that we talked about that starts with the letter E? Who remembers? Our first animal was our elephant. Right? Our elephant. Our elephant walks with heavy legs. So we do our elephant stomps. Remember, we can use our pillows if we don't want to stomp too loud. And we can use our pillows to squeeze our pillows first. Squeeze with our hands. We can do our elephant stomps. We can also stomp with 2 feet. 2 feet. 2 feet. Okay? You can, even if you want, jump from one to the other. And we can set up our elephant obstacle course to stomp in between our pillows like the letter 8. Stomp, 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 big stomps. Use those muscles. Or elephant jumps, jumps, jumps in between our pillows. Okay? We cleaned up our pillows. Then we talked about our next animal, or fish, I guess, is our eel. We did our eel dance. So for eel dance, we just wiggle like an eel. Wiggle, 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 just like an eel, right? We can have our arms up, and we just wiggle like an eel, okay? All right, then our last word that starts with the letter E was our word empty. We used our cups to see which one was empty. One is empty of water, one is full, okay? We can practice using both hands to make our other cup empty. Or if that's easy, we can have a one hand at a time, seeing which cup is empty. Okay? We can also practice how we control that pour by doing a little bit at a time. You can make this more fun with food coloring or sparkles or other things that float or other colors. Okay? And practice getting our cup empty. All right? Okay, beautiful. All right, round of applause. All right, good job, everybody. That's our activity for today for our letter E. Okay, so remember, we learned A, B, C, D, E, and tomorrow is E, F. So stay tuned for tomorrow, where we'll practice our words, exercises, movements for our letter F. All right, thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Great job. Okay, and just a reminder, remember this is a fun educational activity, not to replace any services that are already in place, okay? Just for parents and students to work on at home, for parents to implement different strategies, practice different skills, movements, exercises, okay? So since I can't see anyone, please make sure you're careful, making sure you're aware of your space and how your body feels. If it hurts, don't do it. If it doesn't feel safe, don't do it. Okay, please consult with your doctor, primary care physician, healthcare provider before starting. All right, I want everyone to stay safe, have fun, keep moving, keep learning, keep growing. All right, wish everyone an awesome rest of their day, and I'll see everyone tomorrow. Bye, thank you.